Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jante Hills District hakan rutrik ujilio kelas dang ya ka program Jinghikai kerpang ya ki Khynnah Kynthei kumno ban Ïada Ïalade na ki Riew Shim Kabu kabalatip kum ka self defense training for girls students kane ka Jinghikai kane lai banai Kynthei nak banta ki Southly ki school hapo ka sor jowai bakinthop ya ka RC Eve mi mintudu UPS SSA kapanalir SSA UPS Kathat Labo Presbyterian UPS SSA, ka QC Springside UPS, bat ka Panalir UPS SSA. Shwa ka Jinghikai kaladan ka Jingilang lingkot balapanya deka kong bayahon lang pawa ka assistant teacher ka RC Eve mi mintudu, balayo e ka jing batay syapang ka self-defense training na uba Alan Nyangti u president ka West Jante Hills Karate Do Association, bat nakakong sami naki warpasa ka member Jongka West Jante Hills Karate Do Association Jawai. Layo ru kajingkren na uba SD lalu u Community Mobilizer SSA bat kajingkren Aiman meki Khynnah School na u Padar H Lamare u Parish Priest ka Jawai Diocese u balong kum ukongsan jongkane ka program. U Padar H Lamare ha kajingkren ulakentu ya ki Khynnah ban long ki Khynnah ki banang banri ya ka buram ka akor bat ban pinlet jingbut ha ka porsha Jinghikai khnang ban yo jingmentoy na kani ka program.
We have two enemies. First enemy, spiritual enemy. You have spiritual enemy, the devil. The devil, the temptation. Someone tempts to do something wrong. You have to say no. You have to defend yourself. No, I don't want. To be clear, suppose someone asks you, let's go and drink. That is a kind of spiritual temptation. Or ask you, let's go and drink. I'm not supposed to drink. Say, no, I don't drink. I'm not supposed to drink. That's called spiritual. And once you get into such problem, to such temptation, you will get into so many other things. Therefore, the first we have to learn is to defend ourselves, to say no to certain things which are not good. There are so many things around us which are good, and if we don't know how to make use of them, they may be bad. It's a temptation. We are, let me say the Christian way, we are Christians. We read the Gospel of St. Matthew. Jesus was tempted. The devil said, you turn the stone, become bread so that you may eat. The Lord said, no, don't tempt me. Then the devil took him up, you throw yourself, God will protect you. He said, no. 3-4 times Jesus no to that temptation, and the end the devil went away. So also in life, all of us, maybe children, maybe adult, whoever it may be, we will always face this spiritual temptation. It may be from people, it may be the things, the books you learn, the things that you see, media could be that. It's good, but depends how you see it. It may become bad, and it may be led astray. There are first part I want to put, I think, what our friends will be showing us. Secondly, the physical enemies we see there. Maybe your friends or somebody else from outside that comes to do something to destroy you. I said, no, you resist. Your mind must be strong enough. No, I wouldn't. Then your physical body, as you will see, to show how you defend yourself. I think this art very, very important for all of us, and especially for you. Since we made this program for you, dear children, dear girls, we need to learn to defend ourselves. So we are grateful to the association. Alan Nyangti, thank you, DMC, for bringing this program here. I hope our children will learn, and for us too, even teachers will learn how to defend themselves.
Mendo kata atau gini program atau kawan kami gini segi atau program UMKM isinya atau isinya UMKM Melawi yang bentar gini program kami ini lihat ke Western dia Karate Do Station nedu mencuba cenai kesanjung ini kuai promote di Karate kamu sport gini distrik yang ini haji porle Jinghikai kamu Ïada di negara ketin karate TV to wan ngane ketin Japanese wo ongi empty hand umut wo Ïada di nonong chon wo klem kitiar gitar umut dekti te sinyau to buram go gro wo ila yo bentalang ne ni tengah nungkong i dap de jisyang mo ukro yak office yang ga DMC SSA juai da em ga kam ni ga program hay wo i hikai i kena skur kam tan ni kena ngai hay to ga self defense wa em kama do kata ne ba yu ito hakaleng ga partai kam tam wad hadis chigam ila jingjia ge upun ki ba kena ngai chale ben cha penja burom gi hakicindra.
It's not just about kicks or punches, it also teaches you discipline. Number 1 is discipline, number 2 is focus, 3 is awareness, and 4, confidence. Okay? It teaches you to stay calm and to use your mind and to know your strength. Okay. In real life situations, when there's harm that happens in real life, sometimes we panic. We don't know what to do. And that is a natural response. It's called the fight or flight response. You couldn't do what to fight or to flight. To yudima. Sometimes we freeze. And that is why self-defense and karate will make a huge difference. Because by training ourselves and our bodies, mantas ni practice training build muscle memory. Muscle memory is not muscle memory. Your body, you train your body. So when things happen in real life, you don't have to think twice, you don't have to use your mind. Manda train through your muscle memory, you're able to use your body to fight, to defend yourself, and then to walk away and run away. Okay? So, we will be showing you some demonstration, some basic techniques. And I want to say before I end this, that self-defense is not about violence. It's about being ready. It's about readiness, awareness, and knowing your ability and your strength.
Kala,
Yan sana!
Ajme. Yeah. Yeah. Alka, Julas, so.